welcome back. So we're going to be planning in my catch-all planner here for the week of December 9th through the 15th. As you can see, I already have the week is number 50. The kit I'm going to be using is from TBC Nation. You can no longer get this kit. I'm sorry, I'm gonna push y'all back just a tad. And then, but you can no longer get this kit, but this kit is called Snarky Subordinates. So I'm gonna use this. And I went ahead and already laid out the headers here. And then I do have my sidebar from Tipsy Dog Designs. So we're gonna use these as well. So we're just gonna jump right on into it. So I'm filming this a little early because I leave tomorrow, December 5th for a couple of days. I'm going down to see my mom and my siblings and grandparents and all of that. So I'm trying to get some of this filming done. I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving. I did. My husband went back to work today after being at home for like a week and a half, and we got a lot done actually, which was good. Very, very good for us. So very happy with the progress we made. Okay, so if you're new here, hi, welcome. My sidebar categories are my household, so that is the chores that need to be done, my daughter, if she has anything going on. I use my name, but it is for myself and my husband. I have a health, which I need to get better about. And Carmen, leave her alone, please. My daughter is awake and one of my dogs is bothering her. So you might hear her in the background. And then my last is ideas, but I have been using it for the books that I am currently reading. So there is that. So what is happening this week? Actually a lot. My husband is going to be leaving on Monday for 3 days. I will be home Tuesday morning early from my little trip. And then Friday we have my mother-in-law and brother-in-law coming, and they are staying till Sunday. So we have quite a busy week. And then the following week, which I'll get more into it in my next plan with me, but the following week my husband is going to work for like 2 days, and then he's going to be off for 2.5 weeks. So very excited about that. We have not, or he has not taken a lot of leave in a hot minute, so we want to use the leave up. So I am gonna go ahead on Monday for my daughter. I'm gonna actually put, I don't think, look at my calendar here. Yeah. I don't have anything going on for this little lady. So we're gonna just go ahead and fill up hers this week. It's kind of cold outside, so we really haven't been doing a lot of like play dates. Or going anywhere, because we just would rather rather stay warm. And be home. I'm gonna try to convince my husband to go to Santa this weekend. I think, yeah. Actually, I'm gonna put it down here because I don't normally exercise on the weekends. I've been trying to. I haven't been going to the gym, but the last couple days, my husband and he took down our tree in our front yard. There they are. Sorry. So I do have my scripts from Black Mountain Plans. I do PR for her, so you can use AmyB20 to get 20% off your entire order. What's wrong, B? What's wrong, O? So anyway, he took down a tree. I'm just gonna go for Monday. I'm starting with household. Obviously, it's trash day. And normally I change my wax on Mondays, but that's going to be on Wednesday. So as I was saying, yeah, so we took down one of our trees, took down the only tree in our front yard. And it's really nice. It makes it nice and bright in front of the house. And the last couple days we've been moving the wood and took stuff to the dump and whatnot. So that's been my exercise. Alright. I need to make spare room bed. So my mother-in-law has somewhere to sleep. And then Saturday we change our sheets. And we always do laundry. And then on Sunday, I do want to clean our spare room after they leave. Okay. Next, we're moving down to me because nothing is going down with my daughter. I do have therapy in the morning. I also need to get my sibs on the bus. On Monday and Tuesday. David leaves this day. Sorry, you guys, I'm just really concentrating on this. This week is kind of busy. He leaves really late. on that day. I actually am coming home on Tuesday. Okay. And I'm gonna open her up. No, I'm not. Friday. I think that's really. Let me look at something. Flipping back to the calendar. Yeah. Friday. He comes home. Arrived this day as well. So that's an empty sheet I don't need to keep. And then Sunday. And then they leave on Sunday. So I know it was like a really short plan with me, and I didn't do much talking, and I'm sorry about that, but this is how it turned out. I do have extra functionals, which I will be using here. Actually, there is something else I need to mark down on Wednesday. Here, need to do a Walmart run. On Wednesday. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that is how it's going to turn out. I do still have functionals, which I'm grateful for. Because this week is, like I said, going to be really busy with me being out of town for one more night, and then my husband leaving, and then my mother-in-law and brother-in-law coming, and we're kind of doing like a Christmas with them over the weekend and whatnot. So that is how it turned out. Excuse me. I absolutely love it. I will be filling more of it in here shortly. Well, as the week progresses. This week that we're currently in, and this weekend, and whatever needs to be done here as well. So I do hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.